One of the key benefits of the swap farming or in trading on Binance is that Binance users can now get up to 50% rewards in BNB. Now, this is gotten from the transaction fees being charged when you're trading these assets. Now, you can see on my screen here, we've gotten BUSD, USDT rewards when we swapped these tokens, and you can see the transaction fees or the swap rewards that we got. You can see it was successful. Now, all you need to do to get started, you click on this and swap. The link will be in the description box. You can see we've gotten some rewards so far. Now, right here on the swap page, it says you can get up to 50% of fees returns in BNB when making a swap. Now, all you need to do is just to make a swap and you get this reward. Now, right here on my screen, I'm going to click this claim rewards to claim these particular BNB rewards that we've gotten so far. You click on this claim rewards, and this BNB you've gotten will be automatically sent to your spot account. Now, you can also decide to swap any of your tokens on the Binance platform in order for you to get these particular benefits. Now, on Binance, you can get access to lots of tokens that are available for swap farming. Now, for this gives you opportunity to get access to DeFi or to be in the DeFi space and be able to benefit from these BNB rewards as much as other benefits you get. Now, there are also lots of promotional activities on the Binance platform, so you always want to keep an eye on that in order for you to get the best out of your experience with Binance. You can see we have near token, we have BUSD pairs, we have stable coins, we have lots of crypto and also DeFi tokens in which decentralized finance tokens in which you can easily swap. Now, in this scenario, let's say we want to swap BUSD. Since we have some amount of BUSD, I'm going to click on BUSD here, and you can see we have about $12, 12 BUSD. We click on all. I want to swap this BUSD back to USDT. So we'll be getting 12.56 for when we swap these tokens, and you can see the summary of the rewards we will be getting. Now, as compared to spot market or you are using, let's say you're using other forms of trading to convert these your assets, you'll be missing out on these BNB rewards that are available for users who trade or use this and swap farming feature. Now, you also want to take note that for low transactions or transactions when you're transacting or converting assets that are not as high in value, there won't be any slippage fee. But when you're converting assets that may be high in value, you may attract some slippage fees. So you want to take note of these particular differences. Now, this is the reward we'll be getting. Said estimated fee rebate of 50%, and this is the value we'll be getting. Now, for spot market, you will still be charged fees by trading or converting the pairs you want to convert. But when it comes to the swap farming or the liquid swap on Binance, you get opportunity to get back these swap fees. Now, click on swap once you're ready. You click on swap. Once you click on the swap, it will automatically show you that your swap has been successful. You can now go over to see your history or your swap history, and you can also go over to the Binance swap farming page where you can claim your rewards easily. Now, I'm going to refresh this place so you can see how easy it is for you to claim your rewards, just like we've claimed the initial reward that was on our screen initially. Now, once this loads up, it should show you your swap rewards, and all you need to do now is just to claim it. Now, you can also learn more here. It says here you can learn more about how to add liquidity to become a liquidity provider, and you can see there are low fees and high rewards, swap to NBNB. There are also some tutorial videos here. Now, if you want to understand the basic difference between swap farming and other trading functions, it says here the Binance liquid swap is based on a pool of liquidity. So from this pool of liquidity, the prices are usually differ as regards the prices here. It differs with that of the spot market. So there are times where you can spot or arbitrage opportunities because these two prices are basically different. Now, it says there are two tokens in each pool, and the relative amount of tokens determines the price between them and can always be traded as long as there are corresponding tokens in the pool. So the Binance Liquid Swap offers more stable prices and lower fees for large transactions. So if you want to transact a large amount of assets, it is good you use the Binance Liquid Swap, as you also get additional 50% rewards in BNB, which will be credited to your Binance Spot account, and you can also stake this BNB to in the Binance BNB vault to earn more rewards. Now you can see our rewards is currently now showing. All you need to do is to click on claim rewards. Once you click on claim on rewards, see rewards have been claimed successfully. So this is how easy it is for you to access it. Now for users who are using the web, all you need to do once you are logged into your Binance account, you click on this N icon. It will take you, or it will show you the liquidity farming pool, where you can click on it, and it's going to take you directly to the Binance liquidity, or this particular page where you can now easily swap these tokens. Now users who are familiar with this trade icon can also use this trade icon. Here you see where it says swap to earn BNB. You can also see where it talks about spot trading and the Binance Convert. Now it is more preferable, or it is even more cheaper for you to use the Binance swap farming, as you get to earn these additional rewards, and also the minimum amount required most times for trade can be as low as $1 for 1 USDT and more. Now you can also filter here. Use this filter button to see the list of tokens and their available rewards. Now if we are to check here, you can see the total overview of this Binance Liquid Swap page, or this Binance Liquid Swap platform, where you can see lots of assets, and you can also see other assets for users who want to try out the liquidity feature. Now I'm going to go back here. When you click here, or when you click on this view all, it's going to show you the list of assets and their individual rewards that you can earn. So for BSW USD, you get up to 50% in BNB rewards. So the maximum is currently at 50%. You can see some are at 45% and some are at 35%. So by knowing this, you can be able to put or leverage on this and benefit more, since you know the assets that will give you more value when you swap them. Now this is how easy it is for you to benefit. Now I'm going to show you some articles from the Binance blog that talks about liquidity farming and liquid swap in general. Now you want to know that the Liquid Swap is a DEX decentralized exchange and yield farming application built on the Binance SEX and centralized exchange. Now this platform hosts liquidity pools funded by users who have asset management needs and used by swap traders who have buy or sell crypto or arbitrage trading needs. So you can use this for arbitrage. A liquidity pool converges funds from participating users who provide their tokens. So in this pool, traders can swap one crypto for another while paying a smaller fee than what they would have paid if they are using a centralized exchange such as the spot market. Now the Liquid Swap is more like a decentralized exchange where you can get these tokens and participate in DeFi wallets, and it's even more safe. Now these are some of the key benefits. It has a simple to use interface. There's a wide selection of liquidity pools which you can choose from. The BNB farming, where you get 50% rewards. You also get high or stable rewards. You can choose whichever one you want. Now the perks here is that DeFi-like opportunities, where you get access to DeFi opportunities such as liquidity pool mining and more. There's high quality liquidity token, and you also get interest rates there. Now also there's the largest selection of BNB pool pairs, and also zero fees for transferring funds. So you get zero fees from transferring funds. Also, these are some of the swap farming promotions that you will be seeing on the Binance platform, where we have $1 million BNB up for grab. All you need to do is just to swap and keep using the platform, so you can get eligible for these offers. So you always want to keep your eye out for these activities. Now for users who want to access this using the the users who want to access this using the mobile app, all you need to do is to go to your mobile app. So I'm currently logged into this mobile app. Once you are logged into your mobile app, you want to click on this more option on your screen. Click on this more option or this more icon. It's going to take you directly to where you see the swap farming under the trade menu. So you can get access to the swap farming and start swapping your tokens under this trade menu. You can also see the liquidity farming under the end feature. So I'm going to click on this swap farming. Once you click on this swap farming, so you want to make sure that you have some assets that you want to swap. Here you see we currently have 12.5 USDT, which we've swapped initially. So you can click on swap max. Click on swap max. So you can swap these to BSW tokens in order for you to get this reward. But since we want to swap back to BUSD, you click on BUSD. You can see it's currently loading. I'm going to click on max. So this is the max we want to swap. And you can see we're getting the reward. So there are zero, this as while swapping there is a 0% slippage. So the slippage only occurs when the amount might be too high or for high amount. So these are some tips you want to know. So here you can get access to the liquid swap. You can see your portion if you are currently a liquidity provider. You can see the benefits we've gotten since we've been using the liquid swap and successes in all our usage of these liquid swap farming features. You can see we've gotten up to $3.7 earnings. You can also use this to benefit on the Binance platform. Now I'm going to go back and show you the rewards. Okay, for this particular reward, we've not sent it directly, but I'm going to show you our sports account so you can see what we currently have in our sports account. Now right here, you're going to see the BNB that we currently have here. The BNB reward we currently hold. So it says here we have about 0.000646 BNB. Now we're going to go back to the Binance liquid swap or the swap farming and go there to this swap farming here. Click on this swap farming and go over to claim your rewards. Now once you come over here, all you need to do is to claim your rewards, and you're going to see that automatically your reward will be sent directly to your spot account. So I'm going to refresh this. Once I refresh this, I'm going to click on the BNB. You can see we had 0.664 initially. So after refreshing, it should add up for you to see the amounts that you currently now have in your token in your account. So these are some of the benefits you get when you use the Binance swap farming. Okay, you can see your BNB now is currently at 0.0010759. So you can see how easy it is for you to benefit from this. Now this is even better. If you are to use this convert small balances feature, you can be able to convert your tokens directly to BNB if you want to convert, but the transaction fees that you will incur from here will not be you won't be getting 50% of it. So that is the basic difference between this and that when you're using the Binance swap farming. Now guys, if you do have any questions, make sure to drop the link. Okay, you can also see now there's a liquidity giveaway pool. It says here 2022-24 to 2207. All you need to do is to log in and click on join promotion. You can see we successfully registered for this promotion. It said this is launching a new promotion for new liquidity farming users where you can share up to $200,000. Now, during the promotion period, a total of 20,000 new liquidity farming users may qualify for the giveaway by completing the first task. Eligible users can stand to receive 10 BUSD in vouchers, depending on the number of giving criteria that are met during the promotion period. As qualified users fulfill additional criteria, they will be able to receive greater rewards. Now, all you need to do, complete this quiz on liquidity farming, add more than $10 worth of liquidity into any stable liquidity provider on liquidity farming for the first time, and hold the shares in the pool for at least 48 hours. Now next thing is to do is to add more than $10 worth of equivalent of liquidity into any innovative liquidity pool and hold it for at least 48 hours. Then the next one, add at least $50 equivalent of liquidity in a minimum of 3 liquidity pools. So this is only what you need to do to be eligible for these particular promotions. So guys, not to make this video long, I'll drop all the links in the description box. Get started and start using the swap farming to earn rewards and also benefit from the Binance platform in BNB, because BNB is currently at 218. The price of BNB should be going forward, and going to see some more. Thanks for watching.